Man feel rich like Roddy Reese. The man of peace. Blast them up. Man firm in a dislike because I done me need to get rich. That is the plan. Big up food man, big up devil man. As a real gunman from out of Penland.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yes, man, blessed day, everyone, you know. I don't know, Lionfoot, the man of peace. I say give thanks to life, health, and strength. Give thanks to another day, you see? Yeah, my devil, I just drink some neem tea, did some exercise this morning. Well, do the school run, did some exercise in the park, nice sunshine, get some vitamin D, came home, you know what I mean, do some house chores, drink some neem tea, and yeah, prepare myself now for go and wash off, shower, get ready for work, you know, my daily duties that. You see me? Yeah man, but before that I want to talk about, we say stop the violence against women, kids, Zine. And we see a thing a long time ago in Jamaica, a long time, but we see from where they, like it have come up back again. It erupt again, you know, those atrocious actions. I want to talk about, I talk about her already, but because I got to talk about the brother, the man, with businessman, with, you know, stamping the lady head, in a nurse head, but that's how I include her, and it's Anissa Dilworth. Seeing condolence to the Dilworth family, the 20-year-old US student, and Robert Bell, family, them call him Andre Bell as well. So yeah, the businessman. So the 20-year-old was found in a shallow grave. Police them said them have strong clues that she, because a key ring, found a set of keys with the key rings that she resembled the one she has in her hand on her social media, Instagram, and the keys also gave them access to the property where she's staying. You know, the body was found in a horrible state and a decomposed, you know? Yeah, it's not right, not look good. Not so good at all. So stop the violence against women. A little child who have the heart for does that to a little 10-year-old, you know. There are some cruel, sick men out there in Jamaica. Not just Jamaica, the rest of the world too, because those things does happen here and the rest of the world, you know, in the UK, America. It's just that we might not be hearing of them, you know, hearing about it, but it's sad, man, it's sad one, you know. The father broke down in tears, and the father tried hard for school, make sure some kids them get an education because he didn't have one. How much of us, our parents, even we say that, yo, we don't want our kids them go through the sufferation and the crime and violence where we face and experience. Not that we were doing any crime, but growing up in the volatile community, garrison, enough gunshot we hear and we have to run and hide and can't go home at night time because war are going. You see me? Yeah, lost families in war and them thing. I grew up in them thing there. You know, I remember a song where I said, "Dear Lord, I call on your name for a purpose not in vain." You know? Tired of the violence and the echo. When I go leave the ghetto, can't wait for the day come for Lego. I wrote that song, I was in my studio in Jamaica now. I get ready for go do a show at Balaclava. You see me? The day I fly in, well, I did Jamaica for almost 2 years. Came up back and we get a one booking. I know where I do the work now, music. I put in the work. Get a one booking, go do a show, you know, with Professor Nuts. And when I flew in back, the people must say, boy, why you stay away because the left shot start fire. When I was there, everything is good. You know, football, every place is nice, and we are doing football and refereeing. And people must say, the big woman, they must say, yo, for your left, and the big man, them, big up yourself, Chichi. You know, they must say, yo, for your left. Shot start fire is like a youth them wait for go away. And I sit down in my studio and the night before be a gunshot and I said John Star, come back to this lifestyle there, you know. But I don't know when I forget where we come from. Big up Painland, you see me? Big up the whole garrison, Delacree Lane, Mackay Lane, you know, 2 Mile, Crescent Road, Mango Stone, White Wing, back to Bell Rock. So me I say Redfield, Maxfield, our place them that we grew up and run up and down, you know. Chris, you see me, Mary Lane, you see me, Tiger Valley, Mango, you see me, I say Dispute, Yes, man. But sometimes you get tired and say, yo, you want to change your surrounding because like there's like there's no development, no progress. You just like get wall back, wall long by bad mind people. People don't want to see you strive. You know, people that watch out their life and I wish bad them don't want to see you pass them in their life elevate, you know. So that's how I wrote that song, Dear Lord. It's on my EP. See me? Welcome to Kingston EP. Check it out if you haven't checked it out. Go and check out the EP. You see me? Nice mix, man. You see me? I say nice 6 reggae songs upon it. You see me? I say, yeah, man. You know, big up DJ Easy. DJ Easy did a mix with the EP, 30 minutes. It's on YouTube. Go and check it out. Big up yourself, DJ Easy. Appreciate it, you know. Yeah. You know, any form of support we can get towards a career to get out there, I appreciate it. Yeah, man, don't say stop the violence against women, man. My sincere condolence to you know, the Dilworth family. You see me?
Rich badness, rich badness. Tired of sadness, time now for happiness. More rich like Andrew Holness. Rich badness, rich badness. Tired of wounding, time now for raving. More rich like Mark Golden.
No, we say big protests are going with the man. When you see it viral video, and you know, it was disgusting, you know, horrible scene, distasteful. The man, big businessman, act like that, caught on camera. It's a road rage, you know, Jamaica. The people them drive mad out there. Worse when I rush hour. Taxi man them drive mad. The normal vehicle them drive mad. They want bully out of the road, and the road them so small. You have to be careful. Hence why there's a lot of accidents out there. You see me, vehicle accident and so. So we don't know what happened and what transpired, but you see the video, the man angled the woman, and come on now, that's a big, strong man. You see me, 65 years old, where should be protecting the women them and not acting in such a boisterous character, out of character. You're a businessman and you act like that. That seems like I say operate at home. That man, him would all put him on him woman or him wife or whatever. Because you're not woman in an altercation. And you know walk away and say you're a woman, you know, I'm not pay you no mind. Maybe the nurse says something bad about him, we don't know about. When we see on the video is him manangling the woman, finger to the ground. Somebody there try to tell him for easy or whatever. He have the firearm in his hand. And then him stomp on the woman head, put down whole line pressure on the woman head, you know. And Jano, out of control, out of character, can't control himself and does something like that. Caught on camera. Now he has been slapped with several charges, rightly so. You know, so he's gonna lose that firearm because it wasn't in his holster or in his waist, it was in his hand. And the woman, lady, I should say, is on the ground, helpless, defenseless. Come on now. Which lady can fight such a big, strong man like him? With or without a weapon? He's not going to win clearly. We say stop the violence against women, man. We say a big protest are going on, and I like that. Or the nurse them come out and the women them come out. Stop the violence against women and little child, little kids, man. We had enough, man. See, I have a song named Do You Love My Sister? I'm gonna put it out right now. You see me? I'm gonna put it out. A minute of it, you know. Do you love my sister? Yes or no? And I wrote it off a true story, not me, but a close associates, you know. Yeah, that's how I write the song. Ready me write the song. You see me? And this occur now. I'll drop it out. Do you love my sister? Yes or no? If you don't plan for hold on for her, please let her go. You see me? For God's sake, if you need a break, man up and let her know. You see me? No more, I sit down and watch your record show. You see me? You lift her, you drop her, you flip her, you flap her, you whip her, you whap her, you chip her, you chop her. She won't go to her friends and me say no, you stop her. You hold her against her, will that mean you kidnap her. You jeer her, you mock her, in the square you attack her. You see me? When the family them decide, you never want to back her. You lash her, you bash her under the bus, you dash her. You know, your narcissist tweet them, you hurt her. Stop the violence against women. And the man them. Come on, man. Think before you act. Treat the woman them in love and care. You see me, don't let them live in fear. You see me, I say, stop. Trouble the little pity them. I want to know, man. Enough is enough, man. Enough is enough. I'm the man of peace, Lionfoot. Blessed love. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth. John Star. Like and share the content if you feel like doing so. Same. Big up on yourself and have a great day. Life is the greatest gift.
I had a chicken buckle, do some uncut. Time now for oxtail and now my gut. Me need a big house to move out of the hut. No man to me but it took me now suck.